All right. If they get a point, it's time. We'll do it again. If they don't, that's it. Basketball takes it. Now it's coaches versus cheer and wrestling.
Wait, they're gonna make you gotta yell the school march. Okay, now it's the rest of
You got this, Elliot. Don't let the coaches win.
Come on, Elliot!
You got this, Marquis.
Come on, Marquis! You better, Marquis! Stick to wrestling! Stick to wrestling! Stick to wrestling. Good step back. He's only good at touching men. He's only good at touching men.
All right, Elliot. Don't let a single one, okay? Don't let a single one in or they win. Test your hands hard. Whip. Coaches win! Now it's going to be coaches versus basketball in a tug-of-war competition.
What is Samson doing here, bro?
It's a 6-3-7.
Oh my gosh.
Winston, come on.
No,
it's 6-6.
Crosses this middle line,
6-6.
okay?